If you someone who's been doubting themselves recently, you've been feeling like giving up, you've been feeling like you lost, you've been feeling like you just don't have the answers, or you just feel unaligned with your life right now, you knew that there's something more. I want to tell you, don't give up, because you still had that fire within you. Think back when you was most inspired, when you had all the energy in the world, where you had all the big dreams, you had all the big ideas and all these goals that you set. You said, I want to do this, I want to achieve this, I want to get this in my life. Remember who you were at that moment. And remember that you still that person right now. That person is still deep within inside you. But life happened. Obstacles came in your way. And it knocked down some of your confidence. It told you that you wasn't good enough. It told you that you wasn't capable. You started comparing yourself, comparing your life to others. I want you to get out of your head right now, because you still that person deep within. You still have that shit within you. You just got to pull it out. You have to get out your mind. You have to tell yourself, you have to psych yourself out when you had those bad days, when you're getting down on yourself, when you feel like there's nothing in the tank left. You have to pull it out of you. Because all these obstacles and these hard times prepare you to be the person you need to become to make that stuff happen for yourself. But it requires change. It requires changing your habits, changing your environments, changing your mindset. And it requires you putting in the work no matter what. No excuses. So start walking into that person right now. Start walking into your purpose, feeling like you. Walk with that confidence again. Because you must become it right now before you get there. You don't get there and then become it. So focus on where you want to be. Focus on becoming that person right now. Think about your best life. How will you act? The rooms you'll be in. The way that you present yourself. Start presenting yourself that way now. Because you are a representation of yourself. Don't feel like you don't have time. Don't feel like it's too late. It's not. The only thing that you don't want to do is continue to waste time by doubting yourself, overthinking, just getting in your mind a little bit too much. That's where all your problems reside. So get out of your mind, stay focused, remember exactly who you are, because you got this. You will always be that person, but you have to prove it to yourself first. It's not about the outside. It's not about the accomplishments. It's about who you are within. The man that you envision is still possible, but you must give it a chance to exist. And it will never exist if you have any type of doubt in your mind. So get over it. So if you're new to the channel, go ahead and do me a favor. Hit that subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, and check it out again when you need that little pep talk, when you need to remember who you are. I look forward to building a relationship with you in the future. Remember, everybody has greatness within, even you.